Okay, so I'm going to talk about how to schedule a meeting for your ESL class. You're going to want to open up Zoom on your desktop and then click Schedule Meeting. That will open up this dialog box. Right now I have Rebecca's Fox's Zoom meeting, and I'm going to change that to ESL Advanced Class. I can then, by clicking on these little boxes, it opens up a calendar. Monday the 14th at 7 p.m. for 2 hours. You can click recurring meeting, but that is going to have the meeting every week with the same Zoom ID, so you don't necessarily want that. Keep the meeting ID generate automatically, and you can keep the security passcode along with the waiting room. I'm going to have this use my computer audio, and then for calendars you can put this on your own personal calendars, but for this example click other calendars. These advanced options allow you to enable join before the host, meet participants, only authenticated users can be part of it, or automatically record a meeting. You can also have alternative hosts that you add through their email right here, but for the most part you can just leave these blank. Now click Save. Once you do that, it's going to open up this little message for you. This includes the Zoom link, the meeting ID, and the passcode as well, and it tells you when this class is going to happen. You can click Copy to Clipboard, and then if you have Notebook, Word, Notepad, whatever opened up, you can put that in a new document right here. Copy and paste. This way, I would recommend you store all your meetings in one place so that you and your teacher have access to them, and then you'll always have access to the links. So, once that has been done, this is the link that you will be sending your students. And that is how to set up a meeting in your scheduler. If you want to confirm that you've actually scheduled it, go to Meetings up at the top, click that, and now I see Monday, September 14th, I have ESL Advanced class. And I also have some other classes, but it tells me, and I also have this reoccurring meeting that I was setting up for a different video. But you can double check that your classes are scheduled in the Meetings icon. To go back to the home page, just click Home. That is how to schedule a meeting.